Let's do a quick unboxing of a OnePlus 15R. I'm gonna show you what accessories can we find inside the box and of course how the phone looks like. So let's get right into it. Let's open the box. There we go. Let's actually place it here on this side. And first we have this paper box. And behind it we have our phone. So I'm gonna take out the phone. And we're gonna take a look at it in a second. Alright, so first let's see at the paper box and then we're gonna take a look at the phone itself. So what can we find inside? We can open it from here. Let's take out everything that we have. So the first thing that we can see is the USB cable. It is USB-A to USB-C. So quite surprising that we can still get USB-A to USB-C cable on OnePlus. I thought for a second that maybe we can actually get USB-C on both ends, but that is completely fine. We have the SIM eject tool over here. And besides that, we can find a bunch of papers like the quick guide and the safety guide. And that is literally everything that we can get inside the box. So not much tools can be found inside. There is no protective case included inside the box. There is no power adapter in this case. This is the European version, so of course in Europe it is pretty difficult to now get a phone with the power adapter. So now let's take a look at the phone. Here we go, we're gonna open it from here. I have chosen this cool looking green color, this lime green. So of course at the back we have our cameras and the flashlight. On the left side we can find the button that is now the addition to OnePlus 15 models. It is called the plus key, I believe. At least this is how it was called on the OnePlus 15. On the right side we can find volume buttons and the power button. At the top we can find some dots, so I believe that one of them is, this should be the speaker. One of these two is the microphone. Unfortunately, it's hard to say which one is the microphone at the given moment because there is no like hardware diagram or anything like that that is available. So I would have to check that out by myself later on. Over here we can find the USB-C port at the bottom of the phone. Of course we have speakers, the microphone in here and the SIM tray. And that is pretty much it. So leave a like and subscribe.